how to open an IC Market account. So of course, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to open up your Play Store or App Store to download the app itself. You can make an account directly in the website, but it's much better to do this in the app. So you can visit the official IC Markets open account page on their website, or basically the app itself. So once you have the IC Markets downloaded, just go ahead and press on open. Directly, you'll be given the options to create your CTrader ID by putting in your email or password. Or you could continue with the options they will give you. In our case, it's only giving Google, so we can go ahead with that as well. So you're gonna have to make sure everything is accurate, since any mismatch info can delay verification and can stop verification as well. So you will be asked to enter your full name exactly as on your ID, the email address that you use, a phone number, and the country of residence once you are going ahead to verify your account. You should be able to open up the live section. So just go ahead to the top left, which is basically the little tab menu, then see the open trading account option in the left. So the one we currently have is a demo account, which you can create as well, but you can also open a live account. So to do this, it will lead you to a different website, so just go ahead and press on open. So as we mentioned over here, the live account is more detailed. So the first option or the first section is basically your personal details, and just go ahead and follow the process. You're going to be expected to use an official or government ID to be able to verify and match your actual details. To activate your account, you're going to have to upload your ID or documents. So basically the options that it will give you. So basically the KYC and helps IC Markets verify your identity before you can trade live. Then at that point, you're just gonna have to wait for your account approval, and once your documents are uploaded, IC Markets will review them. You'll get an approval email, and your secure client area login details are sent to you. You can log into your account and finally be able to open and use your IC Market account. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.